Hey guys, it's Dan Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a buttons galore and more haul. So I am on the design team and I received some products and I wanted to come and show you some of the new items I purchased. I love their sequence mixes and just kind of like everything sequence because we're all addicts. So I thought I'd come and show you some of the new stuff that I got, and let's get started. I do also have a discount code if you want to purchase any of these items. I'll leave that down below if you're interested, as well as our website. I think it's totally sequin season. So I picked up this big bulk and I got 2 packs of them. I have a ton of pink and I was loving the colors in this one. So it has yellows, it has some little hollow stars in them. There's some clear sequins and there's some peach ones, and I have a ton of pink sequins, so I thought I could add to this mix to kind of start a sequence mix. For me, I love pre-mixed sequins to add to and then start from there, because it just makes my life a lot easier instead of coming from scratch. It's kind of like having the cookie mix and I just have to add, you know, fun things or to just jazz it up. So I thought this was a really pretty mix to start with. And then I got a whole bunch of fun sparklets, you guys. So pretty. Here's this little tropical one, and this one is called Paradise. So there is a lot of pretty little tropical looking sequins. There's like the bling in here, the little baubles. You have some palm trees in here. I thought this would be a perfect little summer mix. I got this bling, and it's called Crystal Hearts. Look how pretty these are. I'm obsessed. This is called Jellyfish, and it just has a lot of the purple little elements. This could even go well with like Halloween projects. There's a lot of little purpley little bling bits here, flat back pearls. This one is called Mermaid, and it does remind me of kind of a mermaid. It has all the pinks, the mints, the purples, the hollow in here, little gemmies. This is called Starry Sky, and look at that beautiful iridescent blue. I absolutely love it. This is called Coral Coast, and again, another fun, pretty little mix for the summer, or actually this could go year round because it's pink and gold. It's just so pretty. This one is Barefoot Beach, and again, such a pretty mix. I just love sparkles. This one is called Red Hearts, and it's flat back little heart gemmies and kind of like a pretty fuchsia pink. So pretty. And then I got some sequins. This is Butterfly Party, and you have a whole bunch of butterflies in here. This is a pink and more red and black on this. And you get some iridescent butterflies. So pretty. I also got some sprinklets. And I got a Valentine pack. I know Valentine's passed, but I wanted to have them in my stash. They're so stinking pretty. And this was a collection pack together. This is called Bear Hugs. Look how cute this is, you guys. With a little bear inside. And I love that little polymer heart clay. So cute. This is called Valentine's Flowers. And I'm totally going to use this year round. Love these. This one doesn't have a name, but this one's part of that pack. So cute. Here's Love Letter. Now this one I think could go year round because it has the little envelopes. So cute. I love the little lips on this. Here's Hugs and Kisses. And these are all Sprinklet embellishments. I also got this one, and this one's called Dolphin's Tail, and this is the shimmers. and basically has little dolphins, some little bubbles in there, some seashells. It's super pretty. I love the colors in this one. And then we got more sequence mixes. I got a couple of the larger buttons, the full mixes. They have buttons in it. This one is called Fancy Gal. And if you can see, there's a bunch of buttons in here. I love these mixes because I actually take out the buttons and I put them on the side. I have a little button box. But they come in a variety of different sequences, seed beads. Look, there's some hearts in here. I love these little mix boxes. This one is called Pearls and Lace. Ooh, it's so pretty. So you get the hearts in that really pretty cream color. Get a whole bunch of little white and iridescent accents in them. They're seed beads. Again, there are probably buttons in here as well. Yep, you got some white buttons in there. Get a nice little mix. This one is Cherries and Blossom. I absolutely love this mix. So you can kind of see that floral sequence right there. There's a lot of iridescence in here. This can go with any Maggie Holmes, and there's a touch of blue, which is kind of perfect for like a sweet story collection, flourish. This is a beautiful, stunning mix. There's a lot of iridescent sequences as well. Again, I love starting with these kind of bases and then building from these bases to add more elements to jazz up any sequence mix. I think it just makes it so easy for people who struggle in general. This one is called Peacock Feathers, and look how pretty that is. There's some like leaves in there, and it's just a lot of accents of blue and greens. Again, so perfect for any of the Maggie Holmes projects. I love it. And I showed this in the other haul, but I thought I'd come back and show this again. I have a little Buttons Galore little goodie box over here. Here are the Sprinklets, and these are new to this season. This is the Irish Party. You got the little mugs of beer, the pot of is there a pot of gold? No pot of gold, but there is the 4-leaf clover and the little leprechaun hat. This is Spring Swirls. You get different swirly bits in different colors. This is Smileys. Oh, this Easter mix is so cute. You got the little chicks in there and just like the colored Easter eggs. So cute. This is Chicks and Bunnies. Again, really fun colors for Easter. And I love this one. I've already used this so many times. Pastel Blooms. I love the flowers in this. And then they have a new line of really pretty bling. You got the crystals line. Here is this one, and this one is called Grapefruit. I use this on a project, and it is so pretty, you guys. This one is called Mango. This one is called Ocean Blue. Look at that shimmer on that. This one is Peach. This one's Kiwi. This one is Grape. Ooh. So pretty. I can't see. Oh, this is Caribbean. And this one is Lemon. Again, you guys, they do come in a variety of sizes in each pack. So you can use these as, I just love adding them onto my projects. I think they just really jazz up everything. And then we got the half pearls. This is Sunburst. They come in different shades of each color. So you get a variety of each color. I think two, maybe 3 shades. I think this is just blues. And they are flat back pearl embellishments. This is Peach. So pretty. This is Lilac. This is Mint. And this is Aqua. Super pretty, you guys. Fun little accent. And then last but not least, I have the jewels. Oh, you guys, I'm so loving these. These are premium gemstones. And this is Fuchsia AB. And again, they come in different sizes. This is transparent AB, but look at that shimmer on them. And this is coppery blue. I really would love to alter like a mug or something of that sort, maybe as a gift. But that is it, you guys. Again, if you do plan to purchase, there is a coupon code. Use it. It's gonna give you some nice little discount. And that is it for my haul today, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.